Hi everyone, my name is Didil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, together we'll make homemade yogurt. Here in Turkey, where I'm from, yogurt, we eat it with everything. We eat it with rice, with pasta, next to meat, next to chicken. We use it in our salad dressings, and yogurt is great because it has natural probiotics, which is good for your digestive system. So it's super wholesome and very nutritious and very delicious as well. So we need a very few ingredients to make yogurt. First off, we're gonna need 100 milliliters of organic milk, and we're going to need 1 tablespoon of thick yogurt. You can start your yogurt with store-bought yogurt, and once you start making your own, you can make the other one with the homemade one. Just, without buying any yogurt, you can keep going for as long as you want. What we are going to do first is that I've got a cast iron here, and I love making yogurt with cast iron because it holds the heat very well. So during the fermentation process, it really helps me. So I'm putting 1 liter of milk, organic cow's milk, and I'm heating it up. And I'm going to bring this to a boil. And I'm putting a wooden, you can use a spatula, a wooden spoon. I'm putting a wooden spatula on top of it. And this will actually prevent the milk from spilling over once it has been boiled. So I'm going to bring this up to a boil. And I'm going to let it boil for 2-3 minutes. And then I'm going to show you how to proceed. So the milk came to a boiling point, and after that I kept it on the stove for about another 2-3 minutes, and now I'm turning off the heat. So now what we're going to do is we're going to let it cool down, and I want it to come to 45-50 Celsius degrees, and if you don't have a kitchen thermometer, once it has been cooled down, I'll show you how to understand that it's ready. So the milk is now around 45-50 Celsius degrees, and if you don't have a kitchen thermometer, how to understand this is that you put your finger in it, and if you can hold it in without burning for 7-8 seconds, then you know that it's at the right temperature. So now this is perfect. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a ladle and take a ladle full of milk and put it in the yogurt and just mix it and temper the yogurt. I'm going to take another ladle full of milk, warm milk. And now I'm going to get the milk in here, give everything a good whisk, make sure that the yogurt is fully incorporated into the milk, like so. And now we are going to leave this. We are going to let the fermentation process happen. And how to do that is once everything is fully incorporated, I'm putting on a clean kitchen towel, covering the lid up. And what you can do is you can leave this in a warm place. Hot summer days are perfect for this. And leave it for 4.5 hours or 5 hours. If it's not warm, then you can preheat your oven at 50 Celsius degrees, and you can leave it in the oven for 4.5-5 hours. If you wait for longer, it's gonna get a little bit more sour. So taste it. If you want it more sour, you can leave it longer. And after 4.5 and 5 hours, I'll show you how it's supposed to look like. So here's the one that I made yesterday. After staying in the oven for 5 hours, I put it in the fridge, and I want to show you the consistency. So this is how it should look like so. And to me, this is very tasty. And here in Turkey, we like to eat it like this, without any flavors, but I'll show you how to make yogurt with... It's so good, so much better than the stuff that is store-bought. So creamy, so tasty, very good for you. But let's make one with raspberries as well. So I'm taking my food processor and I'm putting in a handful of frozen raspberries, a couple tablespoons of yogurt, and you need a sweetener. And yogurt is so healthy, and we are using raspberries, so I like to sweeten this with honey. So I would say about 2 tablespoons of honey goes in here as well. And I'm going to whisk this through my food processor, and we'll have a beautiful raspberry yogurt as well. And the raspberry yogurt is ready as well. This one is a little bit watery, but do pop it in your fridge and it will become more consistent as it waits for half an hour. Tastes so good though. Again, much better than the store-bought stuff. So here's how to make yogurt. As you can see, it's pretty simple. It only takes a little bit of time to make it, but it's definitely worth the wait. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I share a lot of easy, breezy, wholesome recipes on my channel, so please do subscribe. See you next time. Bye!